It's forecasted to be a very wet Christmas week with several days of rain.
And we've got some very strong winds on the way, too. Let's get straight to meteorologist Danny Romero and your AccuWeather forecast. Danny.
Thanks very much, Giovanna and David. Yeah, I think Santa's wrapping all the gifts like in heavy plastic or something because, yeah, rain's going to come down. And, boy, the timing's going to be right there, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and beyond. Let me kind of set up for you how things are looking over Southern California. We showed you those clouds from Air 7 a second ago. The clouds and fog are still there. The rain right now up in Northern California, you can see that right now. And it's that atmospheric river. You can see that steady stream of moisture moving in and that rich moisture source out in the Pacific right now. That's what we're going to draw on. Now, a couple things to remember, too. It is out in the Pacific. It's a tropical weather source. So this is kind of a warmer condition, so not so much snow in this. But here's how the rain timing is setting up. So by tomorrow around this time, the rain begins to hit Southern California. And then it really picks up. Come Christmas Eve on Wednesday, now we're talking about the heaviest rain of this rain event. We're talking flooding in many spots, 2 to 4 inches of rain coming down all over Southern California, more so in those upslope areas, mountain areas as well. And then we move to now Thursday on Christmas Day itself. Hang on. There's still more rain coming. Hopefully you get an umbrella for Christmas because now we're looking at another ½ inch to an inch of rain as the one storm winds down. I'll tell you about a second one moving in beyond that too. So that's kind of how it's setting up for us. Outside, taking a look over SoCal from the air, there's that atmospheric river and the stream moving into us from, again, that richer moisture source, a warm tropical source, so snow levels staying fairly high, but the rain amounts will be plentiful because of that rich moisture source. So we're seeing that really pouring into Southern California, the atmospheric river taking a dead aim at SoCal here and then really delivering all that rain by the time we get to tomorrow. So here's how it's setting up. It's going to start cloudy tonight and then by tomorrow, now some scattered showers start moving through. And then we head towards Tuesday night into Wednesday and Thursday. And now here comes the heavier rain, the yellows, the reds, the oranges, indicating the heavy rainstorm cells. That's coming down heavy at times and getting everybody on Wednesday. Now by Wednesday night into Thursday, it backs off a bit, but there's still a lot of intensity there. Still more storming coming through into Wednesday and to Thursday. And then beyond that, hang on, round 2, which I'll show you in a 7-day forecast here in a second. So that's the rain event, the first one. And it's, again, a heavy one coming our way. So setting up for us just the same. Here's how it's setting up. We're going to see everything kind of go like this on the AccuWeather 7-day forecast. We're going to see that rain coming in late tomorrow. We're going to see things turn around for us where the rain comes in heaviest on Wednesday, and then we're looking at that 2 to 4 inches of rain coming through. So that's going to be tough for us to handle. Then come Thursday and Friday, it starts tapering off somewhat, but there's still some rain in there. By the weekend, a slight break, but hang on, more rain beyond that. Here we go, valleys, Inland Empire, same kind of idea. The cooler temps in the 60s, and then the rain amounts ramping up Tuesday, and then heaviest on Wednesday. 3 to 6 inches of rain, upslope areas getting the heavier stuff, still more rain showers on Thursday, Christmas Day itself, and then some showers scattered in nature on Friday. And then Saturday and Sunday, a little break, and then another system comes through. For the valleys, that's how it's looking for us. For the beaches, there too, same kind of idea. Wave number 1 comes through. Late tomorrow into Wednesday, heaviest rain Christmas Eve. Water spouts off the coast, not out of the question. And we're talking 2 to 3 inches along those coastal spots, coastal slopes, the heavier rain amounts. Showers, but still some more rain. Thursday into Friday as round 2 moves through the area. We take a break Saturday and Sunday. Get set for more rain on Monday. For the mountain spots now, again, I mentioned tropical moisture source, so snow levels staying up around 7,000 feet, but the rain will be heavy. Starting again tomorrow, cold temps in the 40s, nights in the 30s, 4 to 8 inches of rain in those mountain spots, and then that snow level again staying high with more rain continuing Thursday into Friday, a break on the weekend, more rain coming on Monday. For the high desert, yeah, deserts, you're getting some rain too, so watch out there. We're going to see things get really, really cool in the temps and the rain moving in. Again, late Tuesday, we're talking about a ½ inch to an inch of rain when it's all said and done Wednesday into Thursday. Wave number 2 comes through Thursday into Friday. A break on Saturday into Sunday. And then, yeah, another system comes through next Monday. So, yeah, let's hope there's lots of umbrellas and parkas and raincoats and galoshes under your tree because you're going to need them. All right, David, Giovanna.
And let's hope there's no flooding. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much, Danny.